In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Descript to make bite-sized short videos such as Instagram Reels, Instagram Stories, YouTube Shorts, anywhere where you just want to break up and have micro pieces of content. Let's jump in. We're going to start off here with our content actually transcribed. If you don't know how to transcribe your content, just check out the video before this one on my YouTube channel. Let's make a clip for Instagram Stories or Instagram Reels. And I'm going to just take this part here of the copy. So I'm going to highlight the part of the video that I want to make a short video about. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to click clip to composition and I'm going to select new. To find our composition, we come over here to the left hand side and you can rename it to whatever it is that you want to do. And here we are inside the video. So we can see here we shot the video originally in landscape, but if we're going to use this for Instagram stories, we're going to have it in Instagram story mode. So over here on the right hand side, you may need to click the filter if you don't see it. So we see here our composition. So this is our composition. We're going to click edit and we're going to change the landscape to portrait. Okay, we can just double click on our video to change the size or the positioning. So if we needed to move it across, you would move the x-axis across, or if you wanted to have it more scaled in, depending on where it would be most suitable. So we're going to leave this here. Now we want to add a title to our video. So we're going to highlight, depending on how much you want the title for. I'm going to say, okay, I want it for everything. We're going to hit the plus symbol here, and then we're going to scroll down to title. And our title is going to be Marketing Funnels with Google Analytics. And again, you can style it to have it looking like the way that you want it. Depending on your brand colors, you can go in, select out what exactly you want. So if we hit play now, so we'll come up here. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Analytics. And another way to click on your title, you can see here, if you scroll along the track bar at the end, you can see how long it is actually for. So if you did not select it all and it was just a flash up, you can go in and change. It's a great idea, especially for Instagram Stories Reels, to have the text going with it. So we're going to highlight all of our text here so we can generate captions. So we highlight, click the plus symbol, and then we're going to say fancy captions, and then we hit play. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Analytics. Okay, so we can see here we have extra space, so you can use the extra space. So I don't want to have everything coming up like this, so I'm going to increase the font size. And let's hit play. It's to map out your marketing funnel and the most important part, to see if it's successful. And just to finish off our clip, I just going to change this here to pink to blend in, and then we're going to hit publish. And I just want you to click on export here. So you just click over to project and click to export again. I just want to show you other options that you have. So if you were to click on audiogram here, you can create some templates of, if you just want the captions only of the text. We've got all the different samples there that you can use, and let's click back and click back again to export, and then we're going to click on video, and then you're going to have your little clip, and then you can upload it to Instagram. There are some other tools that you can export it into. Headliner is good for doing very similar to audiogram, but I do like the native feature here, and that's exactly how you can use Descript to create your social media graphics and media, so you can make more out of the content that you're producing. At the end, and here's a quick bonus for you. So yes, we're after making our nice little clip in under a minute, but what we can actually do to level up the branding, because let's face it, having the black marks here isn't the best. So we're going to click our plus symbol here, we're going to scroll down, and we're going to select a rectangle. So your rectangle may just appear like this. And what I want you to do is bring it up to the total color, and then I want you to go ahead and select the color. So enter in your hex code so you can decide what way you want it to be. So I'm going to just say, okay, I want it all to be the heavy pink. Okay, we're going to right click on our rectangle here and we're going to select move to the bottom. Our text down here, ensure it's correct and it's in white, and then let's have a look.
In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Analytics to map out.
Yeah, that looks so much better than having our black pieces. So that's how you can level up and make the branding more on point and obviously in brand with your brand. For more tips like this on how to grow your business online, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time.